Dyma tro cynta i'r ddau dîm yma gyfarfod y tymor hwn. Ond bydd ddim rhaid nhw ddisgwyl yn hir oherwydd nhw'n cwrdd â'i gilydd eto nos Fawrth nesaf. Wel, mi oedd yn alwad fanna am lawio yn y cwrt cosbi. Mae bechgyn Pen y Bont am air gyda Iwan Arwel.
Chi'n gallu gweld pam oedd Pen y Bont bach yn gandryll i fod yn onest, oedd y protestiadau fanna'n syth.
Davies yn uchel i'r awyr, ond oedd Amon wedi dod mewn. Miles Davies yn codi! Ac mae e wedi rhoi y crydd, y bêl y gwyrodd i ar Davies i Lewis i gefn y rhwyd.
O'n i ddim yn meddwl nath e unrhyw beth o le fan'na. Mae hawl iawn gyda Miles Davies i fynd am fan'na. Mae'n edrych ar y bêl. Mike Lewis wedi cael ei ffwrdd gyda un fan'na.
Owen mewn at Davies. A fe'n croesi. Georgievski codi! O, peniad da gan Georgievski.
Pêl wych mewn gael Miles Davies hefyd yn crymani mewn i rediad Georgievski. Gath e digon o gyfeiriad, ond jyst methu cael digon o bwer.
Mae'n mor gorfforol yng nghanol ca, a dyna Clayton Green unwaith to. O, mae'n gerdyn coch! Y dacl yn uchel, a mae'n garden goch yn syth i gapten y Bari, a maen nhw lawr i 10 dyn.
Mae hwnna yn tacl peryglus iawn. Mae dros y bêl. Mae wedi dal Georgievski. Hanner ffordd lan i goes. Mae'n methu cwyno am hwnna.
Mae Clayton Green yn chwaraewr cystadleuol i ail gerdyn coch o'r tymor. Ydi cael un yn barod yn erbyn Aber. Y bêl gan Harling. Basi mewn at Snaith. Snaith yn gryf yn troi. Os yna gyfle mergyd. O, swir! O, na chi gol! Gan Sam Snaith. Rhyw 5 munud wedi bod ar y ca yn derbyn y bêl, yn troi yn gelfydd, ac o ryw 20 llath, taran o ergyd, heibio i Mike Lewis, nath ddim i gweld hi.
Oedd un peth ar ei feddwl e. Cael ennill meddiant nôl, troi, a wedyn ergydio, a'r pŵer gath e. So techneg arbennig fan'na, yn pwyso dros y bêl, defnyddio ei lasys, jyst i taro trwyddo. A i fod yn onest, mae Pen y Bont yn llawn heiddi fod ar y flaen.
Curtis Hudson, os yna ddrama fan hyn ar Barc Jenner. Bêl yn cael ei gosod at Abru Zezi at y postyn pella. Y pennau mynd i fyny dyma Cottrell. Cottrell ni thynnu fi nôl. O, mae'n arbediad rhagorol gan Ashley Morris. Jamie Bird oedd ar ergyd am gyfle i ennill pwynt i'r Bari.
Cottrell, dangos profiad fe fan'na i dynnu'r bêl nôl yn lle ergydio. A nath Bird popeth yn gywir, cadw e'n isel ar y llawr, ond chwarae teg, Ashley Morris yn ymateb yn gyflym iawn.
Yeah, really important win for us. Yeah, lovely way to get a goal. I was due a goal as well, so even better to have a goal like that, I suppose.
Can you talk us through what was going through your mind? Because at the beginning, you had your back to goal.
Yeah, back to goal. I've been saying to myself I need to turn a bit more when I've got my back to goal. I thought, why not now? So I think I got fouled in the process, ref played advantage. It opened up for me, I thought, I'm going to hit it. And flew in, luckily.
I've got no complaints. I think the better team won today. I think in the first half, I think they were by far on top. Showed a lot of enthusiasm, a lot of desire, and that sort of hurts me, if you like. You could see that probably they were a little bit of a game ahead of us, maybe. Having started that season a little bit earlier, maybe. Second half, we've changed things about, and I thought we've had a lot more purpose in the game. I wouldn't say we've created much today, if the truth be told, but I think the sending off has killed the momentum. I think that Clayton's been fouled before he makes the tackle. And before that, I thought he was outstanding for us. But look, no complaints. Better team won today. But the best thing about football is games come thick and fast now.
I thought we deserved it. I thought actually this season we've got what we've deserved most games, to be honest. We lost to Newtown a week ago. We deserved to. We win away at Flint Saturday. We deserved to. And I thought we deserved to win today.
There were several controversial decisions. Do you think Miles Davies's goal should have stood in the first half? I
did. I'm probably biased as a ugly old school centre forward, but yeah, I think the keepers get way too much protection, and I thought that the ref had given it. I know Mike Lewis well, and he's a big lad, and Miles didn't foul him in my opinion. I also thought there should have been a pen. I was a fair distance away. I didn't see the red. I didn't even know whether it was our player sent off, to be honest, so I couldn't comment on that.